doing a home workout today. Let's get it. Let's get changed. Let's pick out our gym wear outfit. Already ate my breakfast. Keep watching and we will get started. Going to pop on this outfit here and I will show you guys when I'm changed. This is our workout fit on. This GYMSHARK outfit, new 2020 GYMSHARK. This is the Adapt MARL Seamless Sports Bra and leggings in the color beige. If you guys haven't seen that video yet where I try on and link all of the GYMSHARK stuff, I haul a bunch of new GYMSHARK 2020 GYMSHARK stuff. I will link all of the details and everything I'm talking about in the description box below. But this is the outfit for today. Let's get it going, guys. Let's hit this workout. Welcome to my living room. Welcome if you haven't seen it yet. It is our first video today. I've got the GYMSHARK outfit on. Let's get started. I love you guys and enjoy. Mwah. Not that it's necessary to have weights, but I just want to show you guys in case, because I will be featuring some of these weights in the workout. But any of these exercises you can do with body weight, which is great as well. Some key essentials. Water, of course, we have to keep hydrated. I just use my Sip by Swell water bottle that I love so much. We have our GYMSHARK resistance band. This is the medium resistance band. I showed you guys also in the GYMSHARK haul video that I did, but I will be featuring it in this video. So water, resistance band, if optional, if you have one and would like to add to the difficulty of any exercises, definitely an essential for me. And then weights, if you guys would like to add to the difficulty as well. And if you can get these online, such great options on Amazon, at Walmart, Canadian Tire, any of those home stores, I've seen weights, hand weights, even smaller, lesser weights for very cheap if you guys wanted to grab those at any point. Our first home workout together, guys. Let's get it. As I said, I will be guiding us through this workout. You will hear my voice. Like this video if you like these type of videos. If you'd like to see more of these videos, comment down below any questions that you guys have. Any comments below, so happy to answer and comment back and start a discussion on and about anything. I love you guys infinity. Like this video, please, because it supports my channel so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'm Salad Gold. If you guys are just meeting me for the first time, I create health and wellness content, mind, body, all of it. Spreading love, spreading positivity and happiness and all of that good stuff. I love you guys infinity, and always like and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials if you haven't yet, and enjoy this video. Pre-workout, I know many people, many influencers take a pre-workout. People that are into fitness take a pre-workout. I find I have pretty good energy myself. I always chew a piece of gum. Again, my favorite, this pure gum in the peppermint flavor that I always talk about. I'm always chewing a piece of gum. I feel like it really keeps my focus and keeps my head and mind-muscle connection focus going. But I'm feeling super womanly today. As I mentioned, I'm on my period. Maybe TMI for the men watching, but it's happening. Feeling womanly. So today's pre-workout for me is gonna be one of these extra strength ibuprofen that I get from Dollarama. Big surprise here. I love Dollarama. I'm taking one of these here. I live by these things whenever I have cramps. So 16 capsules in one of these bottles at Dollarama for three times less the price. So pickle my voof. Cheers. And now we are officially about to start our workout. Mwah. Here we are, starting our workout. I've done some stretches. I like to just start with some static stretches, some static body, but pulsing stretches to start with, to open up. I love those. I can show you guys what I'm doing here. Just pulsing, but going to each leg and then in the middle, just to get things stretched out here, because this is where I find when I don't use these muscles after some time, I'm feeling tightness here. In the backs of the thighs, in the inner thighs, the hamstrings, all the way down to my ankles here. So doing some pulsing stretches, and then coming up into like a pelvic thrust forward feels right. It feels super good. So just doing a couple of those, and then we're moving right into our first workout move, where we are going to feature our resistance band. So if you guys have a resistance band, pop on one of these now. I'm gonna pop on mine here with you guys. If you guys have yours, if you don't have one, not necessary. And this one, definitely more resistance than I'm used to. As I mentioned, I used to have one of those very cheap elastic resistance bands that snapped on me. So I got one of these GYMSHARK ones. Again, details will be in the description box below for this resistance band. This is the medium resistance band. They have a light and they have a heavy. So the first thing we're going to do is a classic opening up of the legs, of the glutes, a classic exercise beginner for me. Spreading our feet about shoulder width apart, We're going into a squat and then a side. Squat to the middle and then a side. Squat to the middle and then a side. So we will do this as an opener. My hands I like to keep central in either the praying position or the fists, and remaining low for the whole duration of this exercise. This is a warm-up. We like to get our legs and our glutes warmed up before we go into any leg exercises. This is a game changer for me. I have found this one so important, guys. So I'll do about 10 here, 8, 9, 10, come up into a pelvic thrust. And as you guys saw, I'm doing some pulsing movements there too. The pulsing is always good. You can add a pulse for difficulty, but again, this resistance band, not needed. You do not need a resistance band to do this workout, guys. So again, without the resistance band, our squat to the side, squat to the side, squat, tap, squat, tap, squat, tap, squat, tap, squat, tap, squat, tap. In 10, 8, 9, 10. And then a pulse upwards. I will do this one about 3 or 4 times to get worked up, to get started. So putting that resistance band back on because I'm loving it with this. I find the difficulty super great. And it really does not slide off at all, which I love so much. So again, for our last set of 10, and in a squat, something you want to remember, not to squat your knees further than your toes. So when you're squatting down, squatting straight down.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Really feeling it here, guys. That is where I'm feeling it right now, all the way up to the glutes. And up. You will feel this first one, I know it. Taking our resistance band off now. Whew. Another stretch that is great is just, again, I always go to this fist positioning, but just lifting our legs up, up, getting a bit of a squat, a bend in our knees, up, up, just to stretch out a leg. You can add a kick here. Feels super good just to get the legs stretched. And to have a bit of a bend, you're putting more tension on your legs, so even more tension. And these turn into more of an isolated leg workout. Again, with those back and forth taps, as you're lifting one leg, you're putting more of the focus onto the other leg. So tap, squat. And I'll do 3 or 4 sets of these again, the same. I'm going to try with this resistance band. I haven't tried these before with the resistance band, but we'll see how we like it. So squat, tap. Definitely more difficult, but I love how it's not sliding everywhere. Trying to stay your most stable when you're kicking that leg upwards, you're not swerving to one side. You're staying as stable as you can on that one leg. And this one, I'm definitely feeling more of the burn on the quads right here. Quads and the thighs, that's where I'm feeling it. Whereas the tap, where we're bent this way, you're feeling it here. So it's actually a good change to be lifting rather than, you know, sliding for the next exercise, because we're starting to get these warmed up as well as our quads here. So we'll do one more set of these here and then we'll get into the workout. Amazing. We are off to a great start here, guys. Look at us already going. So next up, keeping this resistance band on, I like to do some side lift. Anything lifting with arms and legs, we're opening up the legs and giving them a good stretch. So if you have something to hold on to, it's great for balance to have something to hold on to. So if you want to be holding on to something, I just have my countertop here I'm holding on to. And then we want to be lifting that leg up. 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
and then switching to the other side. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And these ones are great if you guys want to get on the floor and do a version of this on the floor as well. I will show you guys the floor version of this. And with or without the resistance band, again, repeating again, as I will be throughout this video, any of these exercises can be done with just simply body weight. The resistance isn't necessary, as well as those light weights. They are not necessary, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys the floor version of this workout, this leg opener, because it is such an easy one. This is just, you guys can use a towel. This is just a blanket of mine that I sit on the floor just for my knees. But you want to have your back at a 90 degree. You can also do this with your arms on the floor. I feel I do a variation of both because I find that it hits different muscles for both. So with arms fully extended up, we can do these fire hydrants is what they're called. 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
and then the other leg, 1. And I can already feel that right here going all the way up into the glutes. We can move the resistance band down a bit to make it harder. But then this next variation of this that I mentioned, putting your arms down on the floor like this or like this. Whatever you're most comfortable with, and then doing that same exercise. So 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
and the other leg, 1, 2. You get such range of motion with these exercises, guys. While I'm down here, I like to do that stretch where you let the whole front of your body sort of go and droop onto the floor. It feels so, so good to get this stretch, guys. Oh, that is a good one. That is a good stretch, guys. Okay, back up again. And these exercises are so great because they're great as both opener and warm-up exercises as well as finishers. If you're wanting a hot fire burnout, a finisher, do these as a finisher exercise as well. I will probably throw a couple of these in as a finisher as well. But doing 2 more sets of this exercise here. Let's go. And we're gonna do both variations, 2 more sets of both variations, 10 on each side. So again, with arms upwards, 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
the other leg, 1, 2, 3. Whew. And then getting down into our lower pose. Ignore the box and mirror setup here I needed something to see myself in. But switching to that other variation, 1, 2, 3. I am feeling it already, guys. It's been a while, but I am feeling it already. I'm probably sweating already. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Absolutely feeling it, guys. And then hitting it strong for our last rep of this warm-up exercise. We are going with 10 again of each variation. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Other side. Down into our lower. Going ahead with 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm already sweating. And I just got a toe cramp. my god, I don't know if you guys heard that. I had to crack that toe cramp right out. Hitting that last side with the second variation of that exercise down on the ground for 10. 1, 2.
10.
While we're down on the ground here with the resistance band, some other great exercises that I often throw in as well are these.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Again, switching to the other leg.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And then trying out a lower version of this one. I don't usually do it, but I just want to see if it makes a difference. 1, definitely does. 2.
3.
Keeping our core, this core here, nice and tight while we're doing these exercises, guys. Keeping the focus on our legs, keeping that core tight. I don't know what it is about this, but it seems to work very well at targeting the muscle. 2, 3. Woo! Feeling it! I am feeling it now, absolutely. So I'm gonna do 2 more sets of these. I will speed those up for you guys since you've already seen, you've gotten the gist. Let's go, let's get it. 2 more sets of these, guys. Woo! Solid, very solid, hot, fire opener exercises. A Salad Gold first workout session with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you, Infinity, if you're one of my 76 amazing, beautiful subscribers. I love you guys. Infinity to the stars. And always, thank you for watching. As always, stay gold, stay beautiful. I will see you next time. A reminder that I have started Salad Gold Sunday vlogs. So check out those Salad Gold Sunday vlogs if you haven't yet. Where'd the outro go? Guys, I love you, Infinity, and always, as you know, and I will absolutely see you in the next video. Salad Gold Sunday, tune into those vlogs every Sunday, Salad Gold Sundays with me. I love you guys, Infinity, and always, I hope you enjoyed this workout, and there will be so much more, so many more coming. I'd love to start this choose my fit, choose my workout thingy thing. So out of the workout outfits that you guys have seen of mine, choose your favorite one. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, what type of workouts you want to see, any questions that you guys have regarding workouts, home workouts, things you can do at home, because there are infinite options. We are limitless. Sky's the limit. There ain't no limit. I love you guys, Infinity, and always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!